Next, derive an expression for resultant capacitance when a capacitors are connected in series. This is a 3-mark question, very important 3-mark question. You know the symbol of capacitor, like will come capacitor. Now you see 3 capacitor connected in series. Series means continue series. C1, C2, C3 is connected with one battery, positive terminal, negative terminal. The positive sides are positive charge, other side negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. Each capacitors having different potential V1, V2, V3 because of when a capacitor connected in series, the potential will change. So like that, you see, each capacitor has same amount of charge, but charge are same, but potential difference V1, V2, V3 are different. So total potential V is equal to sum of the individual potential V1 plus V2 plus 3. Suppose if we give 9 volt means we will come 3, 3, 3. It will split it. So anyway, the total potential V is equal to sum of V1 plus V2 plus V3. Take equation number 1. This is a very important formula. Q is equal to CV. Charge is equal to capacitance into potential. So you want V value. So V is equal to Q by C. Cross multiply C, Q by C. Here you see V is equal to Q by CS. CS means S is a series connection. Suppose general V is equal to Q by C. S means series connection. So V1 is nothing but Q by C1. Why? Because of Q by C1. Q does not change because of same, but V only changes, capacitor only different. So C1, V2 like that Q by C2, V3 also Q by C3. Supposing a 3 capacitor only connected, so up to V3 enough. Suppose 4, 5, 6 means you have to continue. So now substitute the equation 1. V value Q by CS is equal to Q by C1 plus Q by C2 Q by C3. Like that you substitute the value, V1 value, V2 value, V3 value, like that you substitute. So here Q common, you take outside. Q cancel, 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. Like that. What is the total capacitance? So 1 by CS is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. That means that's the inverse of the equivalent capacitance. Equivalence means total. Inverse of the equivalent capacitance of the capacitor is connected in series is equal to sum of the inverse of each capacitance. This is a important 3-mark question. Suppose when a capacitor connected in parallel, you see another important 3-mark. Suppose the derive the expression result the capacitor when a capacitor are connected in parallel connection. Parallel means you see parallel. Here splitted. So parallel connection like this C1, C2, C3, one battery connected. So now here the capacitance are same. C same, capacitor same. The potential difference V, capacitance of the potential difference same. V same. But the changes in the capacitor will be changes. That means which one will be changed? Capacitance C, the charge on each capacitance. That means Q change are different, but V same, Q different. But here V different, Q same. So here opposite, V same, Q same. Already you know the formula Q is equal to CV, Q only changing. So total charge from V, here producing charge Q, this Q only splitted in 3 capacitors. So total charge is equal to sum of the individual capacitors Q1, Q2, Q3. So now already you know the formula Q equal to CV. So Q is equal to CPV. It means total charge is equal to parallel capacitance into potential. So CPV, but Q1 is equal to here Q1 value C1V because of capacitance changing. So C1V, Q2 is equal to C2V, Q3 is equal to C3V. So V no change, capacitance only changing. So substitute the first equation. Q value CPV is equal to Q1 value C1V plus Q2 value C2V plus Q3 value C3V. Here V is a common, take outside. Here V cancel. So CP is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. Here the capacitance in parallel is equal to sum of the individual capacitors. So the equivalent capacitance of the capacitors connected in parallel is equal to the sum of the individual capacitance. So this is a 3-mark question, very important. This one capacitance in series, capacitance in parallel, very important 3-mark question.